Hi friends! Today we are gonna make a healthy eggless cake which can be made up of wheat flour and jaggery, which is very spongy and delicious without oven. You can eat as it is or serve with chocolate sauce. Also, I'll show you a very easy method so that you'll get the same results. In a blender jar, take 1 cup of jaggery. So if you have jaggery lumps, you can add the jaggery lumps also. 1 cup of curd or yogurt, so don't take the sour one. 1/4 cup of refined oil, you can take any vegetable oil or refined oil. Half teaspoon of cardamom powder. If you don't have this, you can skip it. It gives a very nice flavor to the cake. Around 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor essence. If you don't have this, you can skip it, but it does give a very nice flavor to the cake. Mix all this in a blender. So after blending, you can see that the batter looks of this consistency. So this batter replaces the use of egg in the cake. Let us keep it aside for the time being. Now take a bowl and a sieve. First we'll add the dry ingredients. So I've taken 1 cup of atta, that is the wheat flour, whole wheat flour. Add it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add half teaspoon of baking soda. So both of them helps in making the cake spongy. Now sieve it. So now keep it aside. In the meanwhile, take a bowl, big pan or any pressure cooker also you can use it. Place a plate inside and switch on the flame. Close it and preheat for around 5 minutes. Now we can add the batter into the flour. So instead of adding the batter directly into the flour, we are putting in the sieve so that we can avoid the lumps in the batter. So as you can see here, there are some lumps. Take it off. Now mix gently. So don't mix rapidly, just use the cut and fold method. Now add around 1 cup of milk. Again start mixing. Now add 1 more cup of milk and keep stirring. Now add some dry fruits of your choice and again mix well. Now take any aluminium tin or any other cake tin if you have. Add little bit of oil and grease it. Now add the batter into the tin. So now tap it that there are no air bubbles inside. On the top of it, again you can garnish with dry fruits of your choice. Now place it in the preheated pan. Since it is hot, take care of your hand and in medium-low heat, let it cook for around 30 to 35 minutes. Keep checking in between. So after 40 minutes, check whether the cake is cooked properly by pricking with a knife. So if it comes out clean, it's done. So I had also checked in between. Switch off and let it cool for around 10 to 15 minutes. So after the cake has cooled off, you can just cut to the sides of the cake. So now take a plate, cover it and flip it and just tap it on the top. Wow, it looks nicely baked. So your yummy and healthy atta cake or the wheat cake is ready to be served. Wow, you can see it has come out so spongy. So here is a perfect healthy atta cake without sugar, without eggs, with jaggery. Hope you liked my healthy yummy cake recipe. Please subscribe, like and make sure to turn on the notification bell icon so that you can get my future updates whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching.